Hi, I want to show you our brand new receipts. So we just updated our receipts as part of version 3.7. So we're constantly updating our software, making it better. And our old receipt is on the left and the new receipt is on the right. So you could see we made the important stuff a lot bigger. So you could see now you could see the order number right away. You could also see when the customer is going to be picking up their clothes. So they're going to be coming by at 8 or to 10 o'clock. And you know exactly when you need the clothes ready by. In addition, you've got the customer's information. The launderer could quickly see the preferences, so they could see it's cold water wash only. If there's special instructions for just this order, you could see it as right there as well. If it is a pickup and delivery, the driver instructions are shown on the ticket very clearly as well. And then we highlight the services provided. So once again, this ticket that you see constantly evolves. So initially you use this to print it out so you can see who the order belongs to. Then you use it as for your launder instructions. Your driver could use the ticket for the driver instructions. And by the very end, it becomes presentable to the customer so they could see all the details on their order. And then you would attach it to the order just like this, although this is a copy of the old ticket. But you could get the idea. So it looks nice and professional. And going back to this ticket, I just want to go over some of the changes between the old ticket and the new ticket and the reason for those changes. So first off, the important stuff we made bigger. You'll also notice it shows this icon right here. And I believe that only shows up if you're doing both wash and fold and dry cleaning. So now, if it does dry cleaning, you would also see a picture of a hanger right there. So the launderer could quickly see, does this order include dry cleaning? Or when the customer picks up their clothes, you could quickly look at that picture and know, oh, there's also dry cleaning along with it. So that visual is just super important. It's also that visual is very important for your driver. So that way your driver knows, oh, am I picking up wash and fold or am I picking up dry cleaning? In addition, if it's a first-time customer on the driver's ticket, it'll say first. So you know that's the first time they place their order. And if you give them a free welcome kit or a laundry bag as part of being a new customer, you know, something like this, that way your driver knows to drop something off like that to your first-time customers. All right, you're going to notice something is missing on the new ticket, and that's the price. So we no longer, look how much space, half the ticket was talking about price. And there's no need to hammer in how much the customer is spending with you. They already know. In fact, when they make their payment, we already print up a receipt for them and we handed them a receipt, and our software also emails them a receipt. So they already paid. There's no reason to give them another receipt. You know, they already got the receipt. In addition, on pickup and delivery orders, the customer already receives an email with a receipt, so they know how much money they spent. And if you're leaving a package on their door, it's nobody else's business how much money that person spent. For example, if you place an order from Amazon, it doesn't say on the package how much money that person spent. And before, we were actually putting the dollar amount on the ticket, on the package, and then that's for everybody's business. And this gives your customers more privacy, and they could enjoy the product instead of focusing on the price. So we felt that was a great change. We've been using that internally. We've been getting really good feedback from both employees and customers. They like the new tickets and the information it provides. So we hope you enjoy the new tickets and hope that makes your laundromat even more successful.